Olá, pessoal! Do you agree that in Portuguese, some verb tenses are more challenging to understand than others?
Mia, why do I have a feeling you are talking about the present subjunctive?
Maybe because I am. In today's lesson, we are going to explore one of the uses of the present subjunctive in Brazilian Portuguese. Grab your notebook and join me. The present subjunctive. Take a look at this sentence in English. It's important that he be punctual. Here's an example where the present subjunctive is being used. That he be punctual. Do we know if he's punctual or not? No, we don't. But it's important that he be punctual. Will he be punctual someday? We don't know. But it's important that he be punctual. So, in general, the present subjunctive has to do more with abstract, contrary to reality events. And in English, the form in the present subjunctive is exactly the same as the base form in all persons of the verb. For example, it's important that I be punctual, that you be punctual, that he be punctual, that we be punctual, but in Portuguese, things are different. We won't go through how verbs are conjugated in the present subjunctive in today's lesson because there is a lesson on that. Link to it is in the box below. But the conjugation in the present subjunctive is not complicated if you already know how to conjugate verbs in the imperative mood. That's right. The present subjunctive tense and the imperative mood have the same conjugation. That's good, isn't it? That deserves a thumbs up, doesn't it? Now let's explore one of the uses of the present subjunctive. Well, phrases that are similar to it's important that, it's good that, it's recommended that, phrases similar to these ones trigger the use of the present subjunctive, as in, it's important that he be punctual. É importante que ele seja pontual. É importante que ele seja pontual.
É provável que eu me atrase.
É provável que ele se atrase. É provável que ele se atrase. Oh, é possível que chova logo. É possível que chova logo. É natural que você sinta frio. É natural que eles sintam frio. Now, can you help me create sentences using the present subjunctive? I'll give you a context and some keywords that you must use when creating these sentences in the present subjunctive in our activity. Well, she just bought a new device, but doesn't know how it works. Can you make a sentence using aconselhável ler o manual in the present subjunctive? É aconselhável que ela leia o manual. É aconselhável que ela leia o manual. Another sentence now with melhor seguir as instruções. Follow the guidelines. Melhor seguir as instruções. É melhor que ela siga as instruções. É melhor que ela siga as instruções. Next. Oh, the floor is wet. A sentence now with recomendável ter cuidado. É recomendável que ela tenha cuidado. É recomendável que ela tenha cuidado. Preferível não correr. Oh, no, in the negative. Preferível não correr. É preferível que ela não corra. É preferível que ela não corra. Oh, they want to travel to Brazil. Can you make a sentence using necessário aprender português? Now in the plural. É necessário que eles aprendam português. É necessário que eles aprendam português. Now another sentence with essencial, assistir ao play em português. É essencial que eles assistam ao play em português. É essencial que eles assistam ao play em português. Perfeito, hein? Now, did you know that the verbs convém and basta also trigger the use of the present subjunctive? Yes, they do. Convém is equivalent in meaning. I'm saying equivalent in meaning, not literal translation. Convém is equivalent in meaning to should, as in they should learn Portuguese. Convém que eles aprendam português. Convém que eles aprendam português. Now, basta. Basta is equivalent in meaning to you just need to. They just need to. Yeah? They just need to watch plain Portuguese every day. Basta que eles assistam ao plain português todos os dias. Basta que eles assistam ao plain português todos os dias. So these two verbs, convém and basta, trigger the present subjunctive. Convém que eles aprendam português. Basta que eles assistam ao plain português todos os dias. In the pinned comment, there is an activity for you to practice the use of the present subjunctive. Do it and share your answers with me so I can help you improve. And there is a lesson on other words that trigger the use of the subjunctive. Watch it and tell me later what you learned. Thanks for watching another lesson and see you next time. Até a próxima. Tchau!